is Thanksgiving, technically, I guess. Happy Thanksgiving. It's after 2 a.m., so it's actually Wednesday night, but it's Thursday morning, really. And I am making yummy buns, or at least prepping them to make tomorrow morning. It's late, obviously, but this is important. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. In my pajamas and a mess, but, yeah, so I'm doing a lot of stuff too tomorrow, because we don't get Thanksgiving break here. But I've got my recipe here, and I'm gonna use my cinnamon butter that I got in Bath, which is exciting. So this is, and I'm using pastry dough, puffed pastry dough, because that's the only kind of dough they sell here, because they're not very conducive to Thanksgiving generally in terms of ingredients. But wow, I'm tired. But yeah, so I am not baking yet. I was about to say baking, but technically I'm more just pre-baking. That's my rolling pin there. Pretty well. And there you have that. Yeah, I'll just keep working on it. I gotta get I have to go get the icing out the fridge, so. Yep, making yummy buns for Thanksgiving. I'm excited. We're celebrating.